the future of the workplace is something that is thrown around a lot right now, especially in post-pandemic situations. I think in a lot of cities, like a lot of financial hubs in Europe, London, Dublin, Amsterdam, there was this overall fear that offices would be empty and all of those expensive offices would be kind of gone to waste. So it's always interesting to see that new offices are being developed with such far timelines, like you said 2029. Why do you think the workplace continues to be relevant right now?
With COVID, we observed a trend which was for people to stay more at home. We are observing now a bit the opposite trend. So people rediscover the value to see their colleagues more often, to have this everyday connection, which is important to feel part of the team, etc. So there's this opposite trend. At the same time, what we observe as well is that people need to feel that what they find in the workplace is of good quality. It's worth going to the office instead of staying at home. So it's a time where the office space needs to be designed with a lot of care and with the well-being of people, I would say, at heart, because otherwise people prefer to stay at home. But if they find something special, if they find a plus in their workplace, they really want to go there. So normally the commissions you can get is for premium or very well-designed office spaces, because that means people will go there. On the other hand, what we can see is that more regular offices now are being transformed to residential or to other uses. Because for these types of buildings, that people do not see any benefit in taking the metro every day, every morning.
So what would you say is a contemporary approach to workplace?
One of the things is well-being. It's a complex idea because it involves lots of different aspects now that you need to bring into the building. One is flexibility of spaces. The idea to go to your table every day, sit down, work your hours and go back home is less appealing to the employees at the moment, and they may like to find more specific or function-defined places in their workplace so that they can decide, depending on what they have in mind to do that day, they can find a variety of spaces with a variety of atmospheres. I think also the office space that we are looking at now is warmer and it feels a bit cozier than it used to. So bringing some of these, let's say, coziness that you may find at home in the workplace is crucial. For instance, in the Tokyo Marine building, there was this idea of a forest of wooden columns. There were lots of reasons to do that. One of them is also to bring wood into the interior spaces of the building. That warmth that the wooden columns is bringing, together with the CLT slabs, makes the space very special and I would say very comfortable in a way.